Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're at the Hilton Garden Inn in Gainesville, Georgia, and we're going to take you on a tour of our room in the hotel. Y'all want to be on video? Nice little fitness center here. And this is the pool area. And this is first for me. This is an indoor pool. However, indoor pool goes under this wall here and goes outside. So it's half inside and half outside. They got a little shower here, a little lounge area. It's definitely interesting. The ladies' room doesn't appear to have a door. Wonder what happened there. Another indoor shower. Dining area. And we have Coca-Cola products for $2 a piece. Takes credit cards. So this is our king room at the Garden Inn in Gainesville, Georgia. And this is a top floor room. It's just a basic room. We didn't ask for an upgrade because we got in kind of late. So this is what a basic room looks like. We've never reviewed just a regular room in the Garden Inn before. So we're gonna check it out. First we'll start with our normal safety features as always. We have a peephole. We have a mechanical deadbolt, safety latch, and this is the emergency evacuation plan. Elevators are here, our room is here, and it's just all laid out in a line here with emergency exit stairs at each end. And maximum room rate is $250. We paid right on about I think 110. You'll see that at the end of the video, what we actually paid for it. But first thing you see when you come in the door, or actually what's behind the door, is this closet. And it's a slide open closet. And we have some coat hangers, laundry bag, luggage rack, ironing board. iron. Then we have the stand here with a microwave oven. Turntables on its track as much as it can be. This is very similar to the microwave we saw last night in the Marriott. It's just a basic set the time or set the strength or wattage or whatever and turn it on. By Avanti. I wonder if it's actually made by Studebaker like the Avanti cars were. We have a Keurig coffee maker, and we have a few morning blend coffees, English breakfast tea, and some creamers, napkins and sugar, a couple of paper coffee cups, ice bucket. Down here we have this little tiny drawer that isn't really useful for anything, and a little tiny cabinet. Then we have the Avanti refrigerator, also by Studebaker. No Gatorade in the refrigerator. What is wrong with these people? A full-length mirror here. And I'm sure this is supposed to be a king room, but this doesn't look like a king bed. Well, maybe it is. Maybe it's just the way it's arranged. It just doesn't look as wide as a normal king. But it's got 4 big pillows. Yeah, I guess it is a king. 4 big pillows, the king-size pillows. Or actually, it looks like it's got 2 king-size pillows and 2 regular-size pillows, which is good. Basic alarm clock that most Hilton hotels have. Empty drawer. No power outlet. Oh wait, you have power outlet on the lamp, which is good because both of the ones behind the... I don't know what that big plug is for. I wonder if this is one of those garden beds that I thought they had done away with at the Garden Inns that allows you to adjust the firmness, but they never work. I have to check into that. This is a door to the next room, which has a safety latch and a deadbolt, because I don't know who's in there. Very large television set by Samsung. And then we have 3 doors down here. All of which are empty. Little garbage can right there. And the desk area with a nice chair. This is a good work surface here. With the remote to the TV, guest directory, pen and pad, more outlets on the lamps, and another telephone, and a mirror over the desk so you can watch yourself working. We have a window unit air conditioner, which is controlled by the thermostat on the wall over here. Then coming around to this side of the bed, the gimbal's going crazy on me here. Another empty drawer, telephone, and I guess this lamp also has the power outlet. Oh, that gigantic plug is for the lamp. So I guess that's so that the 120 volt, 60 hertz, 11 amps. I guess that they use that big cord and plug so that you can plug some heavy duty stuff into the lamp other than just like a phone charger to keep from burning up the cable from the lamp to the wall. Nice little chair here and a little table. So it's not a bad sized room. It's a decent size. It's got plenty of room to walk around. The furniture's all in good shape. Let's take a look at the bed. So on the bed we have a got this pattern, what looks like a duvet cover, but the duvet and the cover are all in one. Then we have a top sheet. And we have a fitted sheet, mattress protector, and then a zip up mattress protector that encases the entire mattress, which is zip tied shut so people can't open it up for whatever bizarre reason they would have to do that. It's supposed to have a date on here, do not remove encasement before, and there's no date on it. I don't really know what that would even be for. The bed seems really soft. I think this is going to be a good bed. So let's check out the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. And we have a nice sized vanity. Neutrogena soap. Box of Kleenex, paper cups. And we have the Neutrogena French mill bath soap, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion. This is apparently a hand towel and washcloth with a makeup remover wipe, or hand towels, washcloths. Nice sized mirror. This actually has a working exhaust fan. That's something we rarely see in any hotels. We have a toilet. Toilet's good. Down here, we have a hair dryer. And then another little alcove over here with nothing in it, and some toilet paper hanging down below. And now we're going to look at the shower. We have the curved shower curtain rod, 3 big bath towels in the shower, and this is a double shower curtain. And these things are always messed up. It's fixed now. This is the shower head. I guess somebody tried to adjust it. That's why the little flange came off. So let's check out the shower. Turn it on like that. Pull up the handle. And it's a pretty good shower spray. And it seems to be adjustable. It's a little dribbly, but I think it'll suffice. So that's it for the room. End it here. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share and follow us on social media. And be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.